Applicants receive a secure username and password by email. Once logged in, they are guided to complete each of the required sections. These are personal details, right to work, qualifications, employment history, references, and medical details. You add information by clicking the plus button. To edit an entry, click the Edit button. Now you can add or change information. Once complete, click Save. Don't worry, if you make a mistake, you can always change your answer. Sometimes you'll be asked a question. Answering yes may trigger a request for further information. You may wish to add multiple entries such as qualifications or employment history. To add more than one entry, simply click the plus button and follow the instructions. When a section has been completed correctly, the circle next to it will turn green. When you are happy that each section is green, review and sign your declaration. Finally, click Submit to send your application. All applications will be in the same format and therefore easier to compare and review. Only applicants with the right to work in the UK are able to apply.